What's up, everyone? Quick video here. I'm on my way to get my kids, but so far June and the Rav4 Hybrid have been getting along really well. The warmer weather. This is, as you can see, I've gone 4.7 miles with the trip gauge there. I'm on my way to get my kids after work, and I'm averaging 48.4. The car's been averaging over 40 on most of my trips. My commute to work, I'm normally getting 43 to 47, somewhere in there. That's a 7-mile ride. But today I wanted to do a little video on the noise the hybrid engine, or the electric engine, or whatever it is, some noise when the hybrid engine is going, the car like kind of whistles a little bit. It's really hard to hear when you're in the car, but I notice it when I pull in my garage. So when I get home, I'll make a quick video of that and show you guys. I think the main purpose, well, I know the main purpose of this sound is for pedestrians, because whenever the hybrids are going slow, they're electric only and very quiet cars. So this sound helps pedestrians know that there's a car there when they're going across the road or parking lot or whatever. Whoa, all the way! Whoa! Okay, so I'm home now. It's hard to tell, but if you listen closely, you hear this sound. And as I pull into the garage, you're gonna hear it a lot more.
Where did you take a picture at?
I was taking a video of that sound. I think I'm hitting a box right now. Let's move it forward a little. Alright, so now let's back out and do this again. Listen. Let's try again. Whoops. Oh well. Brooke, can you move that box so Daddy doesn't hit it again?
What?
Yeah. Can you put it over near the door behind you?
What did I do? Yeah.
Actually, you can help me by moving the other box over near Brooke. Yeah, that's perfect, Brooke. Thanks. Because Mommy must have put that box there and then Daddy hit it with the car. Not a big deal. Alright, you gonna pop those? Wow, that's loud.
Yeah, I hope not. Yeah, I hope. What I could do. Put it in the garbage.
Look at this mess. Let's get all this stuff out of the car, girls. Who's gonna help me?
Me.
Oh, thank you.